Today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs with fresh mozzarella cheese and green onions. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. The first thing that I'm going to do is put olive oil inside of my pan and heat up my pan to a medium. As the oil gets hot, I'll place the eggs, which I have mixed inside of a bowl, inside of the pan. I'll top this off with a little bit of black pepper on top, as well as fresh Himalayan salt and fresh mozzarella cheese. I have sliced mozzarella fresh cheese that I'm breaking apart and placing it in different areas of the pan that has the egg that is beginning to cook. Then I put green onions on top, scattered throughout, making sure that it's evenly spread across the pan. During this time, the egg is actually cooking. I just added a piece of the mozzarella cheese on top. One of the reasons why I put the mozzarella cheese in at this time is because it allows the mozzarella cheese to melt with the right timing. Right now it's still not melted, but the egg is cooking, and I just take my spoon and I pull the cooked egg towards the center of the pan, allowing the egg that's not cooked to drain along the edges, touching the hot pan, thereby cooking. And when doing this recipe, I try to not rush it, but rather take it slow, adding pepper flakes along the way, perhaps a little bit more salt if you'd like more salt. And I'm just pulling the egg back towards the center and flipping it. I want to make sure that all the egg has been cooked and the cheese is heated to the right temperature to melt. And at this point, you could probably begin to turn the stovetop off, because the pan probably at this point has enough heat to thoroughly cook the egg. You can see the cheese melted. I'm gonna take this, it's called it's that red hot sauce that's in the bottle. Well, they have an aioli, sriracha aioli. Place this a little bit on, adds nice to the flavor, to the eggs with fresh mozzarella, green onions, peppers. Absolute